Welcome back. Now imagine you are storing student information like roll numbers and names. You don't just want to store them. You also want them to be automatically sorted by roll numbers. Now, if we used a hash map, yes, we could store key value pairs, but the order is unpredictable. Sometimes you will see 102 first, sometimes 101, depending on hashing. That's where TreeMap comes in. It stores everything in key value pairs, but also keeps the keys sorted in ascending order automatically. Pretty neat, right? Now, what is a tree map? Tree map is a part of Java's .util package and it implements the map interface. Now, here is what makes it special. It stores key value pairs like HashMap. Keys are always kept in sorted order. Duplicates are not allowed in keys. That is, values can repeat. Internally, it uses red-black tree data structure. So, if HashMap is like a quick dictionary with no order, TreeMap is like a dictionary where words are alphabetically arranged. Now, let's see the syntax for it. Now, you can see I have written two import statements. Import java.util.map and import java.util.treemap. Here I am importing two map. One is the map and the other is the tree map from Java utility package. Now map is just the interface that defines key value behavior and the tree map is the actual implementation we are going to use, which keeps everything sorted automatically. Now, let's see the syntax for map. Here it's saying map angle bracket key type value type. This tells Java that we are working with a map interface, which means it keeps key value pairs. Now, here we can take the key type as integer, like it can be roll numbers, and value type it can be string like student names. Then we have the map name. We can keep it as student data or any variable name we want to choose. It can be data, students or anything. Then we have new tree map. This is the most interesting part. We are actually creating here the object. Means here new means make a fresh object and tree map is creates a tree map. Now, what's special about tree map? You already know that it stores keys in sorted order automatically. For that, now let's see the code and let's comment it out. Now, let's directly paste the code to avoid extra time. Now, you can see in line number 10, I have written map angle bracket integer string student data equal to new tree map with angle bracket parenthesis and semicolon. Now what does this mean? Here I am creating a tree map. Means I am working with key of type integer and value of type string. So think roll number as keys and the names, student names, these ones as the values. Then we have the student data. This is just the variable name. Then we have new tree map. Now this creates the actual tree map object and this is where the sorted behavior comes from. So basically I now have sorted map ready to store roll numbers and names. Now I am adding 3 entries to the map. 102 as roll number with Neha's name, then roll number 101 with Rahul and 103 with Amit. Notice I inserted them out of order. First 102, then 101 and then 103. That is on purpose so we can see how TreeMap automatically arranges them later. And finally, I am printing the map. And let's see what's come as the output. So let's save our file and run our code. And you can see that we have the output as 101 equal to Rahul, 102 equal to Neha and 103 equal to Amit. The cool part here is that even though I added 102 first, but the output came sorted by roll number with 101 Rahul, 102 Neha and 103 Amit. So, TreeMap ensures your keys are always in ascending order without you writing any sorting logic. So, let's move further with the next part.